Yeah, my dad has put in a pile of work with planting trees around the farmyard, and I feel very blessed that I'm the one that gets to enjoy it. Yeah, I think he may have planted well over 1,000 throughout his time here. I dream of one day having trails kind of through all the bush, and if I think of all the cops and robbers that I would have played with my brothers on the yard, envisioning my kids doing that one day seems pretty cool. My name is Landon. I grew up on this farm here, and I raise turkey and chicken in southeast Manitoba. I am 27 years old now, so I've been farming my whole life, growing up here, and now I get to enjoy spending time with my dad and running the farm with him, as well as farming with my family and my 1-year-old.
I've been here on the farm for 2 years, together with my husband, and also farming together with his dad. Yeah, I grew up knowing about farming and understanding farming from uncles and family members, but there are differences when you actually move to a farm and it becomes your lifestyle. So the sporadic, spontaneous times when he needs to care for the animals has sometimes taken me by surprise. Work really is right here at home, and that has its pros and its cons, but I definitely think the pros outweigh the cons for sure.
Oh, it's very important that our turkeys are treated well and cared for well, for many reasons, but I think one of the biggest ones would be because we want to give consumers the best possible product in the store. Each time we go in, we look that the fans are running, we're checking for feed, checking for water, making sure that the litter is still dry, and if there is any wet spots or some things we need to top dress, then we will add some shavings to make sure it's dry. And then also, yeah, just kind of viewing the birds and making sure that they look comfy. You'll see that if the turkeys are cool or chilled, that they'll be huddling together, then we'll warm the temperature up in the barn, and vice versa. If it feels hot and humid, we might move a bit more fan speed. I am very thankful that the barns are close to the house and I don't have to jump in the vehicle and drive somewhere, so that I can just walk out the back door. I'm blessed to have a wife that enjoys gardening as well. And then last fall we actually made this garden bigger from what my parents had it, so that we could add a bit more produce. Micah also places flowers every year too, which I enjoy watching. And then we do, on actually the other side of the yard, we also grow Saskatoons that we get to pick and enjoy each year too.
It really is a gift that we get to live this lifestyle. I love the fact that we, in a sense, get to do life together just every day, and even going outside with my little guy and him seeing Dad across the yard and running up to him and getting a hug in the middle of the day. That's really special that we get to do life together as a family.
A few of the reasons my dad would have decided to plant trees was, for one, a shelter belt from the highway. It's nice to have a bit of privacy on your yard, and we have a big open yard, so the privacy there would be nice. Another reason is because we enjoy watching wildlife and animals, and having bush around your place just ups the odds of having animals around too. I love the lifestyle of being a farmer. I enjoy working with my family. It's a huge blessing to be able to take my boy out, come into the barn and show him around, and I'm looking forward to getting to teach him one day the same things that my dad would have taught me.